In this video I'll be showing you how to cook Ekpang nkukwo, especially if you are outside Nigeria where you cannot find some of the ingredients that I use to prepare Ekpang nkukwo. Ekpang nkukwo is native to Akwa Ibom and Cross River area. We usually cook it with Cocoyam, water yam and every other ingredient, but here in New Zealand we don't have mfi, we don't have ibat, and we don't even have we also don't have nkong. Some people add nkong to the Ekpang nkukwo, but luckily the Tonga and the Samoan people are also, I think the Fijians, they eat Ekpang. Ekpang is known as Taro here. So fortunately they eat Ekpang and they also eat Ekpang. So I was able to find them here. Not where I live, I had to go to Auckland to get Ekpang. But here there is green too, so you can also use green if you want in wrapping the Ekpang. So we don't have ebre, which is water yam. We only have Ekpang. And well, my mom has told me that we can cook this Ekpang nkukwo with Ekpang. So that's what I'm going to do with what we have. I'm going to make do with what I have here. So I have ipa, which is Ponmo. I have I saw one mackerel, Indian mackerel. Probably may not taste like blue mackerel, but hopefully. I bought a smoked fish, Kahawai smoked fish, to add that fishy taste, smoky fish taste to it. Because normally for Ekpang nkukwo back home, we use mfi, we use ibat, yai, itam, mpok ibararo. Isan mfi mong iroko, idian ge Ekpang nkukwo. Nyene ke wo. But we don't have ibat here. We also, some people add beef and Ponmo and goat meat, all those rishi. But I think typically we cook it with fish, dried fish, smoked fish, fresh fish. That's wedding with is blue mackerel. But we don't have that. So what I have here is Ponmo, smoked Kahawai, and Indian mackerel, fresh chili, frozen, fresh frozen, whatever. So that's what I'm going to be using to cook my Ekpang nkukwo. Before I go into the cooking, I'm going to stop talking very soon, but just hear me out. The very first time I cooked Ekpang nkukwo in New Zealand was in 2019, and I saw one fish like that. It wasn't ibat, but it had the skin like ibat, so I peeled it and pounded it, and it came out really nice. There was no mfi, obviously, and I didn't even have Ponmo, so it was basically just fish. I didn't even have smoked fish then. I said, okay, that was nice. It was successful. I said, okay, let's try it again in 2020. Now, I saw this fish that looked like mini ekporoko, like the body, and I used that. But I forgot that these fish, are always preserved in salt, for transportation. You preserve them in salt to prevent growth of mold or whatever. And I forgot that. So when I cooked it, I added my own salt. Ekpang was salty. Chai! Gosh. So that was a failure. The Ekpang came out nice, but it was salty. And I don't know what happened to the Ekpang. Because Ekpang adwoko. We say Ekpang adwoko when you cook it and the Ekpang disintegrates and just the Cocoyam disintegrates and just spreads, becomes like a porridge. So you see Ekpang adwoko. And it was salty, so I wasn't proud of myself, and I still have trauma from that experience. So I'm cooking this Ekpang with PTSD, but I think it's gonna come out because I gave you nothing, so it's gonna come out nice. Let's do this. The first thing I'm going to do is to prepare the meat. I find that it makes cooking faster because when I'm done wrapping and everything, I just put everything in the pot and cook. So wash and cook your meat. In this case, Ponmo and mackerel. And while that is happening, keep your palm oil beside the heat because palm oil here is solid at room temperature. Since the melting point for palm oil is lower than the room temperature, so the heat would melt the palm oil. I'm using pressure pot to cook my ponmo because ponmo takes a long time to get soft, so the pressure pot would reduce the cooking time. Using my Olivia to film this cooking. I did a review on Olivia. If you haven't seen it yet, click the link at the top right corner of this video to watch the review. While everything is cooking, I will peel, grate, and wrap the cocoyam. I'm not using water yam because there's no water yam here. So let's do this. Clean the Ekpang and everything before actually wrapping the task. So wish me luck.